the budget is out, but then let's look at the key tax updates at a glance. So first of all, the new direct tax code will be effective from 1st April this year, and simplified tax forms and returns to be notified shortly. Let's talk about TCS. Now, TCS on overseas tour packages reduced to flat 2%. On LRS remittances, it's been reduced from 5% to 2%. Updated return can now be filed even after reassessment has begun by paying an additional 10% tax. Revised return deadline has been extended to 31st March, subjected to payment of an additional fee. Immunity from prosecution for non-disclosure of small foreign immovable assets below 20 lakh, that's also effective from October 2024. Now let's also look at special overseas asset disclosure schemes, 6 months window. So over here, category A, undisclosed foreign assets or income up to almost 1 crore, 30% tax plus 30% penalty. Now complete immunity from prosecution. Now category B, assets disclosed in earlier years but omitted in scheduled FA, flat fee of 1 lakh and no penalty and no prosecution. TDS exemption and market changes. Let's talk about that. TDS on sale of immovable property by an NRI. Resident buyer can file using PAN instead of TAN, TAN. Now, lower or nil TDS certificate from small taxpayers to be issued through a new automated rule-based process without approaching the assessing officer. Interest on motor accident claims, the tribunal awards in full tax exempt, no TDS applicable. Very important update. Non-residents providing services under notified schemes to get exemption on global income for 5 years. STT rates increase on future and option, sentiment dampener. TCS reduced to 2% on sale of alcohol, scraps, and other 10-due leaves, etc. So that's the overall tax-related announcement update today.